What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Jab Fab.
We picked this mini bike frame up off a job that we went to for about 150 bucks. It's a mini bike frame from the 60s, and then Jesse went and grabbed this motor for 80 bucks. It's a 224 Predator.
Crazy good deal.
Yeah, these motors usually run around $250, $300.
We'll try and let you guys know how much the overall build was pricing-wise. We'll try and keep a tab. Yeah, it'll be a little vintage mini bike build. We're pretty pumped on it. Should go pretty fast with this upgraded 224 Max Predator motor. So JC cleaned up this frame last night. We'll definitely show you the before photos because it was pretty gnarly. We will clean that up, and then we're also gonna fab up a seat. We have a few ideas. We might get super janky with it, or we might make it look really good. We'll see. Should be riding it the same day today, hopefully.
We got this whole kit for 150 bucks. The frame, these two wheels. We picked up a chain. It came with some grips, the throttle, brake cable. Came with a brake lever. We got our pegs here. Came with a golf ball. And some spare axles and tools. There's another spare lever, I guess.
Now we're just gonna throw some primer on it before paint.
Oh, it's gonna leak like crazy. These are medical pinchers I got from when they did my stitches, and I just kept them for like this. Nice.
Yo, let me see that shirt. That thing's clean.
Not bad. Is there even color coming out of that?
Is it just the sparkle?
I think we just got sparkle. We bought this sparkle stuff
Without the color.
and we thought it was gonna be purplish blue with the sparkles, but it's just sparkle.
Ace Hardware's got the best popcorn. Ready?
Freaking bugs, man.
Yeah. Gonna get high. String tees? It's insane-o.
We got a 10-tooth sprocket on our clutch. We need a 12-tooth, and then we just need to fab the seat up, hook the brakes up, and it'll be ready to rip.
Yeah.
So we got new steering column for the quad.
Bend him back.
I don't want to snap it. Oh. But right now we're just gonna weld it up because these tires are bad, and we're gonna order some new tires for this bad boy. And you know what to do with old tires. We're gonna blow them off. Weld them through the paint.
You know what we say about that?
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care.
Don't care.
First try. Damn, did it dig into your asphalt? Oh my god. Look at that. It engraved into your asphalt. That's insane.
Bloopers.
That's sick.
Sneak peek for next time. We got this 3-wheeler. We're gonna do a challenge between the mini bike and this 3-wheeler vintage style. We picked up a new front tube for the mini bike, got the new clutch, and the chain should slide right on, and then all we have to do is route the brake cable and the throttle cable. New clutch is on with the right teeth, but I have these old foam pads that I'm probably just gonna cut out. I have this old bag, Crown Royal bag, that will be our seat. All right, here's our nice seat. Kind of looks a little ugly right here. Other than that, it looks pretty good. We got the pegs welded up on both sides, and all we have left to do now, a tensioner, and then we'll be good to ride.
Oh, get out of the bunker. Nope, nice.
Get it.
Go, boy.
Nope.
Ah! Get in. Get in.
Nope.